I'm a postdoc at Columbia Law School for the Ira M. Milstein Center on Global Markets and Corporate Ownership. In the literature, there's a discussion of whether treaties are more credible commitments when the US engages with another country like China or Russia, right? Or any other country for that matter. Or whether congressional executive agreements are more credible and lead to a different kind of commitment. And there are different theories out there, some saying the treaty leads to a more durable commitment and more durable agreement. Some say congressional executive agreements do just that. And my intervention is basically empirical. It says, hey, we have theories that support both notions. Let's look at whether treaties outlast executive agreements or whether it's the other way around. I think there's also a broader aspect of the article that might be of interest. So I think what we have in the literature on international law and international relations is kind of this this divide. Lawyers focus a lot on the legal aspects and the doctrine, and international relations scholars often say the law doesn't matter or ignore the law and say it's all about politics. I think the article advocates a truly interdisciplinary approach, because on one hand it says the law matters. There's a difference whether you use a congressional executive agreement or whether you use a treaty, so we can't just ignore that aspect. On the other hand, we need to understand kind of the political economy surrounding these agreements, because the reasons for why the treaty might lead to longer lasting agreements are much more accessible through instruments typically employed through political economy. They might not be purely doctrinal.